I decided to stop being lazy and actually show you how to do this on a different Subaru, the one that I'm replacing bumper on. Alright, so as you can see, there's little plastic tabs in there. So you just press one, pull it a little bit, press second one, pull it more, press one, keep pulling, press two. And this one has a bunch of them broken off from the looks of it. Oh yeah, this one's barely holding anyway. So usually you have to slide those tabs up, but they actually weren't even sitting in the hole, they were just hanging like right there. Oh yeah, that's why. It's from junkyard. It's whoever put it on didn't put it on right.